Okay, so we've got a 2012 BMW 116i, automatic 5-door hatch in white, presents in excellent condition. Got the nice black alloy wheels, a good set of tyres. It is the Sport Edition 1.6 litre turbo, and good value on for $19,999. We'll take a look at the interior. So we've got the Bluetooth connectivity on the steering wheel there, cruise control, there's your dash there, satellite navigation, reverse camera, CD radio, climate air, and of course it's automatic, little command center there as well. So the interior seat trim, that's all in very good condition. There's your front passenger, owner's books, 2 keys. There's your back seat there, all looking pretty flush. Just show you inside the boot. So a good sized boot for a small hatch. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.